Not knowing what a renovation will look like and what it will cost are the hardest parts in planning your home improvements. HomeZada solves both with amazing AI. To get started using HomeZada's Visual Design AI, choose any interior or exterior photo of your home. Now, let's get to designing. Use various prompt suggestions or describe your design ideas. Amazing! A new AI image is created based on your ideas and a photo of your house. You can describe more changes in the text box and generate more AI photos to refine your design. But renovation projects do not stop with the design. Now it is time to create a project to build a budget. HomeZada's Homeowner AI takes your original photo and compares it to your visual design image and performs magic. It creates an entire material list, estimates quantities, estimates a budget, and provides a detailed description for every item on the project. This connects a design visualization of your remodel to a budget in seconds, which creates knowledge for you and every homeowner on any project. This journey continues to get easier by using AI to shop for different products. You now have the ability to shop multiple e-commerce sites for an item on your project based on the budget and description you provided. Once the shopping list is completed, you can click on links to review more information and save all the options you love. Just repeat the shopping AI for each of the items in your project. Tracking all your remodel projects has never been easier. HomeZada manages all your renovations for your home in one platform. Here's your original photo and the HomeZada Visual Design AI image. Here is your entire material list and overall budget. And finally, all the product brands you are considering for your remodel. Amazing! All this completed in one platform for easy management. HomeZada's Visual Design AI empowers you to design, budget, and shop for any remodel in an instant. Enjoy project planning the most effective way possible. Start using Visual Design AI by signing up today at HomeZada.com.